How to hide notes in Messenger. So if you want to hide notes in Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you've opened, now here you will have your note right on the upper left. And here, if you tap on your note, it says that friends can see your note for 24 hours. They won't be notified when you share. So it's just simply like your story. It will be for 24 hours and then it will disappear. So here, what you can do is to hide your notes. You need to simply go back and then you can go for the upper left, which has that three bar icon, and then go for settings, which is on the upper right. And here you can scroll down and go for privacy and safety, and under that you will have hidden contacts. Tap on hidden contacts, and here you can go for the upper right, which has the add contact option, so that you can add some persons. So here it says that you've hidden these people and their notes from your suggested contacts, but you can still chat with them. So if you want to hide notes in Messenger of that particular person, then you can simply tap on the add, and from here you can choose the person whom you would not like to see the notes. And once you've choose the person, they've been hidden, and now you won't be able to see the notes of this person. So that's it. That's how you hide notes in Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.